In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. So over here, in case you're getting an error where MySQL is shutting down unexpectedly with no reason, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is open up File Explorer on your computer, which is this thing over here, and then you want to go to this PC here on the left, and you want to go to Windows SSD C, so the C drive, and you want to look for the XAMPP folder. Now in here, usually it's going to be inside drive C. You have it on a different drive. Simply find it and open it up. So for me, it's over here. Inside XAMPP, you want to go inside the MySQL folder, and then in here, there's going to be a bunch of different folders. What you should do is first tackle this one, which is called data. So you want to click on it and rename it to data old or data something. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to put in data old. So data old. And then after that, you want to create a new folder. So go right click, new, and then folder, and name it data or data. So over here, that's what you now should have. From here, go to backup, double click it, and copy everything that's in here. So just copy everything inside the backup folder, right click and copy. So there we go. Go out of here and then go inside the new data folder. So the one that's called data, click on it. And inside here, you want to paste everything. Okay, so just paste it in and it should look like this. There we go. Now, there comes the most important part. So what you should do is go back out, and now you have two different folders. So you have the data and the data old. First, you should go inside the data old folder, and inside the data old, what you should do is copy the IB data. So this one, which says IB data 1. So click on that, and after you click on that, make sure you hold down your Control key on your keyboard so you can select multiple different files. And you then should mark all the folders except for these three. So the MySQL, the performance schema, and the PHP MyAdmin. So these three should not be copied. However, all the ones you have should be except for these three. So I only have the test one over here. I'm holding down my Control key on the keyboard, and I have selected this one as well. If you have multiple others that are not these three, you have to simply click on each and every single one to select it and make sure it's highlighted. Now, once you have IB data 1 and the test selected, you want to right click and copy it, or click copy over here, and you want to copy these two files over here, so the folder and the files. Then you want to go back out and you want to go inside the data over here, so go to the new folder, and then you want to paste it in here. So click on the paste button, and when it asks you this, you want to click replace the files in the destination. So click replace. And after a few seconds, there we go, this will basically load up, okay? Now, as you can see, from here, what you have to do is just simply close this, and you can leave this data old. It doesn't really matter over here. You can delete it if you want to, but I recommend just leaving it there in case you ever need anything in the future. And you can then just close this down. We've done everything we had to, and you can then just start it and see if the error persists. And because we did this fix, it really should not. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.